Leaving a Google review can be a great way to share your positive experiences with others and help businesses grow. However, you might be concerned about your privacy. Well, at Goldenby Homes, your privacy and peace of mind is of utmost importance to us. That's why we're going to show you how to leave a Google review safely and anonymously using just your initials. First, go to the Google homepage. Before searching for the business to review, click the icon on the top right corner of your screen and press Manage Your Google Account. From there, on the left side, you should see the section titled Personal Info. Once you click this section, you should be able to view your name and edit it when you press the pencil button on the right. You can change it to whatever you'd like. The name that you use here will be the one that will be shown when leaving a Google review. Press Save, then head back to Google and search for Goldenby Homes. Once you've found it, scroll down to the Reviews section and click on the Write a Review button. In the review box, start by leaving a star rating. Then, continue by sharing your experience. If you've worked with us, click Yes when asked, "Did you use this business?" Then, click on the services we provided you with. It is also optional to attach photos to the review as well. When completed the steps, click on the Post button. And there you have it. You left a safe and anonymous review on Google using just your initials. Remember, your privacy is important, so feel free to share your positive experiences without revealing too much personal information. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing.